Welcome to the English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, October 26th, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm fine, thanks. A bit tired from the weekend, though. You?
I'm good. The weekend was relaxing. Now I'm ready for the week. This coffee machine is my best friend every morning.
Yes, it is. I can't start without my coffee. Black for me today.
Same here. Hey, did you catch any news this weekend? There's always something interesting.
A little, I check my phone in the morning. What about you?
Yeah, I saw a big story from France about that ex-president Nicolas Sarkozy.
Oh, right. I read about him. He started his prison sentence this week?
Exactly. It's his first time behind bars. A 5-year sentence, can you believe it?
I know. He was the president of France years ago. Now this.
What happened? Remind me, something with corruption?
Yes. The court said he took money in wrong ways for his old campaigns.
Wow. Leaders like him should set a good example. It makes me think about trust in politics.
True. In business, we have rules too. If someone breaks them, it hurts the team.
Right. Imagine if our boss did something like that. The whole office would be in shock.
Let's hope not. But it's a reminder to stay honest. What do you think it means for France?
I think it shakes things up. People lose faith in their leaders, and it affects the economy too.
Yes, politics and money are connected. If trust goes down, business slows.
Spot on. As a sales rep, I see how news like this makes clients careful.
Me too in projects. We need stable partners. Scandals make everything harder.
Anyway, it's sad. He has a family, but rules are rules.
Agreed. Let's move on. Pass me a cup?
Sure. Now on to tech news. Did you hear about Amazon's big problem?
The outage? Yes, it was all over the news. Connectivity issues hit many services.
Totally. Websites crashed. Apps stopped working. I tried to log into our sales portal.
Oh no? Did it work for you?
Not at first. It took hours to fix. Frustrating.
I felt it too. Our project tools use cloud services, like Amazon Web Services.
Exactly. If they go down, our whole day stops, emails, files, everything.
It's a big deal. The news said it was after a massive outage earlier.
Yeah. Fresh issues popped up. People online were complaining a lot.
I saw posts on social media. Everyone was upset. Businesses lost money.
Think about it. E-commerce sites couldn't sell. That's real cash gone.
And for us in the office, it means delays. Meetings get canceled.
Huh? Or we just chat more at the coffee machine, like now.
True, but seriously, tech companies need better backups. It's controversial.
Yes, some say Amazon should invest more in reliability, not just growth.
I agree. As a project manager, I plan for risks. But this is out of our control.
Scary. What if it happens during a big client demo? I'd look bad.
We all would. Let's hope they fix it soon. No more surprises.
Fingers crossed. Good coffee helps forget tech troubles.
It does. Now lighter news, something from entertainment? The NBA scandal.
Oh yeah, the gambling mess, wild stuff.
FBI linked it to 4 major U.S. crime families and NBA players.
Current and former stars too, in a scheme to rig games and bets.
Shocking? Sports are supposed to be fair. Fans love the excitement.
Right, now this, it ruins the fun. I watch games to relax after work.
Me too. But scandals like this make you question everything. Society sees athletes as heroes. When they fall, it hurts.
Like the Sarkozy story. Power and money corrupt people.
Yes, similar themes. In entertainment, trust is key. Fans feel betrayed.
Imagine betting on a game, then finding out it's fixed. Angry crowds.
The news said investigations are ongoing. More names might come out.
Crazy. It ties crime to sports, like a movie plot.
But real life. It shows problems in society. Gambling is big now.
True. Apps make it easy, but this goes too far.
We need better rules. Like in tech with privacy.
Connecting the dots? This week has big lessons.
Indeed. Politics, tech, entertainment, all linked to trust?
Deep thought, Alex. You're the smart one here.
Thanks. But sales needs quick thinking too.
Fair. Anyway, enough news chat. How's your week looking?
Busy, 3 meetings today. Project deadlines.
Sounds tough. Mine's calls all morning, chasing leads.
Good luck. Coffee will help?
Always does. See you at lunch, maybe?
Sure. Have a good morning.
You too. Bye for now.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.